Welcome to AGORACOM, Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. It's Wednesday, June the 22nd. I've got 6 press releases for you from all over the place. I'm going to start you off first with AGORACOM client, Extreme Biodiesel. They continue to make news. Trades in the stock symbol BRKM in the U.S. They're announcing that California diesel prices have now reached $3.79 per gallon, further fueling demand for biodiesel. The company says with current retail fuel prices reaching $3.79 per gallon, they expect to, and they continue to experience significant demand. Rick Carter, the CEO of the company, said, as we approach the summer driving season, we believe it will further fuel higher prices, pardon the pun, over the coming months. This bodes well for biodiesel and will continue to foster demand for our product going forward. A little bit about the company if you don't know about them. Fully licensed and permitted biodiesel producer operating in California. Facility has been in operation since January 2008, producing biodiesel fuel, manufacturing personal biodiesel processors, and the recently added restaurant brown grease recycling service. They closed yesterday at 13 cents. Today they're up, pardon me. Today they're up 3.69%, so the market likes the news. Next up, INV Metals trades on the big board TSX on the stock symbol INV. They announced 10.2 million ton, 1.12% copper inferred resource. This is the first resource estimate at one of the many sedimentary copper targets on their extensive Kyoko property located in Namibia. Looks like they've got 17 points. In addition to the copper, they've also got 17.75 grams ton of silver at a 0.3% copper cutoff grade. All in all, contains 114,000 tons of copper and 5.8 million ounces of silver in situ. This is an official 43-101. A little bit about this Kyoko property. Looks like they have an option to acquire 50% of it. Closed yesterday, 46 cents. 44 on the 52-week low, $1.50 on the 52-week high. So a lot of carnage in the small cap resources space. The good companies are going to move forward. This morning, INV looks like it hasn't traded yet. It's sitting at a bid 46, ask 48, but no trading as of yet. Next up, Sulliden Gold, TSX SUE, that's SUE, and for our friends in the U.S., SDDDF, that's SDDDF. They announced that they intersected 1.4 grams ton of gold over 86 meters and 1.75 grams over 58.5 meters. This is part of an ongoing 70,000 meter drilling program. That's massive, being carried out on their 100% owned gold and silver project in northern Peru. Go take a look at the press release for further highlights. One thing about this project I like, the company says it neighbors million-ounce per year producing mines, including Barrick Gold's Lagunas Norte mine and the Yanacocha mine operated by Newmont Mining. Closed yesterday at $1.97, $2.78 on the high, 50 on the low. Looks like they've fared very well through this problem with the junior golds. And it looks like Sulliden today is up 1.5% on 158,000 shares, so they just hit $2. And again, market likes the news there. So it looks like we're getting some green in the resources space. PC Gold, paid on the TSX on the stock symbol PKL. They announced they hit 373 meters of 0.58 grams ton of gold, including 97.85 meters of 1.03 and 11 meters of 4.28. This is from ongoing drilling at their newly discovered, that's their wording, shallow gold system. And they all say it underscores the potential to host a combined open pitable and underground resource as add-on potential to the recently released high-quality 1.26 million ounce Ni 43-1 inferred gold resources. It's located in the Pickle Crow Gold Mine, 2 kilometers to the southeast. They got some higher grade shoots in there also, 6.03 grams ton of gold over 4.6 meters, 15.8 grams over a meter. Go take a look at the highlights there. PC Gold owns 100% ownership of Pickle Crow. They say that's one of Canada's best known past producing gold mines located in northwestern Ontario. 71 cent close yesterday, 62 cents on the 52-week low, $1.35 on the high, almost a 50% haircut there. PC Gold today up 1 penny to 72 cents on 5,500 shares, and this is all just at the open of trading. Galway Resources, TSX Venture, GWY, They announced that they intersected 21.9 grams ton of gold over 6.7 meters, 82 grams ton of gold over 2.7 meters, and 9.7 grams ton of gold over 9.4 meters. This is at their Ventas project in Colombia. Their 52-week range, they closed yesterday at 89 cents, 52-week range, 63 on the low, $1.52 on the high. And today, Galway is actually trading at 92. They're up 3 cents on 49,500 shares. So nice response to the news. And finally, AQM Copper, TSX Venture, AQM announced that they drilled 231.7 meters of 0.28% copper and 99.4 meters of 0.54% copper. It looks like this is at their Sierra Norte Porphyry copper discovery. Looks like the whole deal is in Peru, but I couldn't get all the details out, whereas we're coming to wrap here. They closed yesterday 66 cents, 52-week high, $1.29. Again, almost a 50% haircut right there. 52-week low, 55 cents. As of this morning, AQM is traded. It hasn't even traded. The bid is below. It's at 62 cents and asked at 66, but has not traded yet. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity, but 6 great press releases for you coming out of the small cap space. If you're looking for more companies we've covered and you're watching this on Globe Investor, take a look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to find the companies we've talked about over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at our headlines on the right-hand side, and get into the marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.